Hey. What are you doing?
I'm walking.
I can see that. I'm asking you about the wrapper you just threw on the street. Don't you know you shouldn't litter in public spaces?
Oh? Relax. It's just one tiny wrapper.
It's because everyone thinks like you. That there is so much litter around. Numerous fish die every day. Because the ocean gets polluted with trash. That accumulates on the ground and then gets dumped into the ocean.
Sorry. I didn't know that. I don't want to be a murder.
Good. Then stop littering.
Okay.
Oh. Hello friends. I am sure you guys must be wondering. What is such a big deal about it? Well, you won't believe. But plastic pollution has become one of the most urgent environmental issues we are facing presently. So, today I'm gonna talk about what is plastic pollution. Its causes. The effects on us. And what we can do to deal with it. Let's start. So, what is plastic pollution? Plastic pollution is the accumulation of plastic objects like plastic bottles, bags, and much more in the Earth's environment that adversely affects wildlife habitat, and humans. I know what you guys are thinking. But how does it affect the lives of humans and animals? Well, imagine a fish swims through the water in search of food and finds a microplastic floating near the surface. These fish eat the microplastics, thinking they are food. But little did the innocent fish know that the floating microplastic is not a food, but a plastic bag. If this fish gets eaten by larger fish, then a shark, these toxins can accumulate up through each level. That could make it and many and other aquatic animals very sick. Yes, friends. Just like that, millions of animals are killed by plastic every year. Not only that, plastic has been found in the stomach of many land-based animals, including elephants, zebras, tigers, cattle, and other large mammals, in some cases causing death. And all these factors somehow impacts human lives. The scientists involved in this study and found microplastics in 114 marine species. And almost 1/3 of these end up on human plates. But the critical question is, who is responsible for all this plastic mess around us? Well, unfortunately, it's none other than humans themselves. But also we need to understand that not all plastic is terrible. Plastics made possible the development of computers, cell phones, and most of the life-saving advances of modern medicine. And saved lives with helmets, car airbags and equipment for clean drinking water. But the problem is that most of us use and throw away more plastic than we need. Things like grocery bags, drinking bottles, food wrappers. This kind of plastic that's used only once or for a short period of time, before being thrown away, is called single-use plastic. And it poses a serious environmental problem around the world. These items are used once and are often discarded in our streets and parks. And now is the most important question. What can we do to help our planet and innocent animals? The solution for this begins with you. And only you. First, start to recycle the plastic that you can. And never leave it in places such as gardens and beaches. Rainwater and wind carries plastic waste into streams and rivers. and through drains. Drains lead to the ocean. And secondly, always try to pack foods in reusable containers instead of plastic bags. These small steps from your end will make a big difference and help to clean our earth. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Before you go, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell icon so you can watch my latest video. See you guys in my next episode.